Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best steam mops that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. This Bissell Steam Mop is sure to impress, offering a breezy cleaning experience that gets dirt, germs, and grime off your floors. It comes with a soft microfiber pad and a scrubby one, so you can confidently clean ceramic tile, vinyl, laminate, marble, stone, and sealed hardwood floors. Ready to use in just 30 seconds, it has 3 steam settings to give you the right level of power for the cleaning job at hand. For tougher messes and tile grout, this steam mop features a scrubber that you flip down with your foot. The PowerFresh Steam Mop has a swivel head for easy steering and a low profile so you can clean corners and edges. The water reservoir is removable. Filling it at the sink is simple, but distilled water is recommended. The Bissell also comes with fragrance discs, which reviewers praised for their clean scent. This steam mop has about 50,000 ratings on Amazon, with an overall score of 4.5 stars. Reviewers praised the PowerFresh's ability to clean, ease of use, and value. If you need a steam mop with extra strength scrubbing, try the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe, which is a little more expensive but has a built-in brush to remove stubborn messes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. PurSteam makes the best steam iron we've ever tested, so it seems logical that its steam mop should work well too. With 30,000 plus 5-star Amazon ratings, people who have purchased this affordable multi-function steamer seem pleased with its performance. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop features a mop head that swivels, so it's easy to clean around furniture. While it has the longest cord among the steam mops we've evaluated, it has the smallest water tank. Like the Shark Liftaway Pro, the PurSteam can be removed from its cradle and used as a handheld cleaner. It comes with multiple brushes, including one designed for grout, a steamer for clothes and upholstery, an angled nozzle, a scraping tool, a squeegee for glass, and a carpet glider. Be aware of these things before you decide to purchase this steamer. Unlike some of the other steam mops that we've evaluated, the PurSteam has a radial knob to adjust the steam level. This isn't necessarily bad, but it's not as easy to use as preset steam levels. Also, reviewers expressed concerns about durability, with some saying that it stopped steaming and didn't heat up properly. Because it has a smaller water reservoir, others said the tank emptied quickly. Overall, though, the reviews were positive, with many commenting that they liked its versatility. At number 3, we have the Shark Liftaway Pro Steam Pocket Mop. The Shark Liftaway Pro's 2-in-1 design lets you detach the steamer from the stick and deep clean hard-to-reach spots and above-floor surfaces. It has 3 steamer levels: dust for light cleaning and delicate surfaces, mop for everyday cleaning and small messes, and scrub for cutting through heavy dirt and sanitizing floors. To handle tougher grime, you can use Steam Blaster for an extra burst of steam. Shark is known for including helpful cleaning accessories, and the Liftaway Pro comes with some useful tools too. In addition to the steamer mop, you get a triangular scrubber head for hard-to-reach areas. Remove the steamer from its cradle to transform the Shark into a handheld steam cleaner. A garment attachment is designed to remove wrinkles from clothes. Connect the 3-foot accessory hose to use a pocket tool for corners, edges, and uneven surfaces, including walls. At number 2, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop. If you're concerned about using harsh chemicals to clean around your pet or children, but still want to ensure your home is spotless, then the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is a reliable pick. With this 2-in-1 steam mop, you can use it to clean more than your tile, vinyl, and wood flooring. The mop head has a flip-down scrubber to handle tough messes on the floor, but with the accessories, you can tackle everything from pet sleeping spots and wrinkled clothes to windows and tile grout. In addition to a window squeegee, grout brush, and fabric steamer, the PowerFresh includes a flat surface tool with a microfiber pad for countertops and other smaller areas, brushes to clean around sinks and appliances, a flat tool to scrape away food and stuck-on messes, and an angled head for crevices. This steam mop is easy to use. Plug it in after filling the 13.5-ounce water reservoir. The power cord is 25 feet long, so you can clean large areas. Turn it on and select one of the two steam settings, low or high. A light on the device indicates when it's ready to use. According to reviews, it works well getting smudges and stains off surfaces, especially tile floors. It also got high marks for its versatility, but there were some concerns about durability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop is popular on Amazon, with 40,000 5-star ratings, but we tested this steam mop and wouldn't recommend it. While it is the least expensive model that we evaluated, our review found the negatives don't make it worth buying. Although it heats up quickly, this steam mop takes extra work to get things clean, and once you're done, you have to touch the dirty mop head to remove it. Yuck! There are better options out there that don't break the bank. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.